Let's let the storm clouds part, 'cause it's getting dark and I know your day's been hard. Don't let those tears fall, 'cause your day's been long, but now it's gone. There's no point. Let's let the storm clouds part, 'cause it's getting.
So today I mostly need to attend my classes. That's because I have a huge backlog to cover. So because of my boards preparation, like in November I have my pre-board, so I need to prepare for that. And before my board exams I stopped attending my lectures, and in November during my pre-boards preparation I was not attending any lectures, so I have a huge backlog to cover. So in this video I will be majorly attending my backlog lectures. So firstly I attend a class and then I revise what I was taught in the class. I do not actually make lecture notes by myself. I do make short notes, but I do not make lecture notes. Actually that's the reason why I did invested in an iPad. That's because I do not have to make my own lecture notes. I can easily annotate them in the iPad itself. And it actually saves a lot of time, because during my class I can simply concentrate on what teacher is saying rather than worrying about making notes. And it actually saves a lot of time as well. So while attending my lecture I keep my lecture notes in front of me so that I can relate what teacher is saying. And after attending the lecture I revise the lecture notes and then I do solve DPP as well. So most of you guys would ask me how my term 1 exams went. So we all know that they were little difficult, CBSE have increased its level, but they went well, they were not bad, but still I have made so many silly mistakes. So most of you will ask me how my term 1 exams went. So they went pretty well. As we all know, CBSE have increased the level of difficulty for a few exams, but overall they went well. But I did made so many mistakes in filling up my OMR. That's because I was filling it for the very first time, but I have made so many mistakes. So we all know during the physical education exam the order have came that we have to fill our OMR in capital letters, but I just went with the flow and I have filled half of my OMR in small letters. I did corrected it by overwriting on it, but I have no idea what teachers are going to do with the OMR. I don't know how teachers are going to give me marks, and it really stresses me out sometimes, because it was physical education paper and it was one of the easiest paper, but I ended up making a huge mistake. And during the physics exam we all know that we have to unattempt 10 questions, but I don't know what type of calculations I have in my mind. I have unattempted 12 questions, so again 2 marks will be deducted there. And same during chemistry exam I have made the same mistake. I have not unattempted any question from D section, but I have unattempted one extra question from C section, so 1 marks will be deducted there.
It's in the past now, you know. There's no point.
So before moving on with the video further, here I want to talk about this book, which is NCERT extract from Disha publication. I have this one in biology and this one is for NEET examination. This book comes in all the 3 subjects, which is physics, chemistry, biology. So talking about what we have inside this book, so the entire theory of NCERT is converted into one-liners. And there's also this section called as NEET one-liners. So this section contains past year's NEET questions. And this book also contains a section which is for tips, tricks, techniques, one-liners, which is specifically for your exams. So coming on to exercise 1, NCERT based topic-wise MCQs are given in exercise number 1. So coming on to the exercise number 2, NCERT exemplar questions are given and NEET previous year questions are also given. And then coming on to the exercise 3, match the following type questions are given right here. And 2 statement type questions are also included and 4 statement type questions are also there, and assertion reason questions are also present. And exercise 4 contains skill enhancer MCQs, and at the end of the chapter answer key is also given. And in this way all the chapters of class 11th and 12th biology is given in this book. And at the end of the book, detailed solutions of all the questions are given. And 3 mock tests are also included at the end of the book to ensure your complete preparation. And answer key and detailed solution of the mock test questions are also included at the end. So in short, this book is totally a NCERT nichod, and this book is also available for other subjects which is physics and chemistry as well. So I will link this book in the description box below to check it out.
On the ground, let's let the rain fall. It'll be gone in a couple hours. Why not try to embrace it all? Just think of it as a shower. Oh, there's no point in worrying. There's no point.
So after coming back, I started attending the lectures of physics. So the chapter which I am doing right now is ray optics. And my internet is also not working that well. So as you guys can see, like the timer starts from 0 again. So that's because I have cleared the time by mistake, and that's why I have to like start from 0 again. So in the morning I have studied for around 3 hours and 15 minutes almost, and then at the end of the day I will add up that time with this time as well. So basically this chapter, which is ray optics, it have in total like 30 lectures, and I'm starting from lecture number 1st. So it will require me almost like a week or maybe more than that to complete the entire chapter if I attend 2 to 3 lectures every day.
Wake up and it feels like the sky is falling down. It's falling down. Wake up and I'm just trying to get my feet on the ground. On the ground. Let's let the rain fall. It'll be gone in a couple hours. Why not try to embrace it all? Just think of it as a shower. Oh, there's no point in worrying. There's no point in worrying. It's in the past now, you know. There's no point in worrying. There's no point in worrying. You got to learn to let it go. Wake up and it feels like the sky is falling down. It's falling down. Wake up and I'm just trying to get my feet on the ground. On the ground. Blue skies are coming back, don't worry.
So it's 9:45 right now, so now I will be taking a break and then I will go to sleep at around 10:30.